How to make Indian flag with blocks. So I'm using blocks and stickers. So these sticker papers are also easily available online. I will link the product if you want. So you get different colors of blocks and you can select the color that you want, and there are three sizes. These are the big ones, these are the medium sized, and here I have the small ones. So first I'm taking two big blocks in this, like this, and then I will take two medium sized from the opposite direction at the center, so that this looks like one step. After that I will take these small blocks. You can take as many as you need depending on the length that you prefer. So I am using these many. I think I can use two more for it to look a bit taller. After that we need blocks for the colors. Now I don't have big size green color, so for green I need to use two blocks. So first I will put this. Now we need one more, but you cannot put it, right? So I will be using one white color, and in this white color I have put two stickers from both the sides. This is the sticker that I used, blue color. I am putting this, and then green color I will fix it from the down, and then we need one orange color. We need one orange color, and the flag is all ready. So it's very simple and a fun way that you can, a fun thing that you can do with your kids. Flag is also ready. I really like the steps. If you want, you can make more steps as well by putting more big sized blocks. I don't have many with many big size, but yes, 1 2 3. I actually don't have more, but yes, if you have, you can make it appear like a step. So that's all for today's video. Until next time, bye.